type of covalent bond. All chemical reactions involve bond breaking and bond making. Two types of covalent bond cleavage: homolytic cleavage and heterolytic cleavage. Homolytic cleavage occurs in a non-polar bond involving two atoms of similar electronegativity. A single bond breaks symmetrically into two equal parts and leaving each atom with one unpaired electron. Homolytic cleavage form free radicals. Example: Cl and Cl, non-polar bond, because Cl and Cl has similar electronegativity. In the presence of UV, Cl-Cl bond break homolytically. So, half-headed arrow is used to show homolytic cleavage. Arrow start from bonding to Cl and from bonding to another Cl, and product will form two Cl radical. Free radical is formed in homolytic cleavage. Heterolytic cleavage occur in a polar bond involving unequal sharing of electron pair between two atoms of different electronegativities. A single bond breaks unsymmetrically. Both the bonding electrons are transferred to the more electronegative atom, form cation and anion. For example, depends kepada A dengan B, kita kena determine dulu siapa yang lebih elektronegatif. HCl. H is electropositive and Cl is electronegative. So, this is a polar bond. Arrow from bonding to the more electronegative atom. Produk akan menghasilkan H plus and Cl minus. So, anion and cation will form. Second example, CH3 Li. Carbon and lithium. Carbon is more electronegative compared to lithium. So, arrow from bonding to the more electronegative atom. Product form is CH3 minus plus Li plus. So, product form is carbanion and cation. Comparison between homolytic cleavage and heterolytic cleavage. Homolytic cleavage occur in non-polar bond involving two atoms of similar electronegativity. Heterolytic cleavage occur in polar bond involving unequal sharing of electron pair between two atoms of different electronegativities. A single bond breaks symmetrically into two equal parts and leaving each atom with one unpaired electron. Heterolytic cleavage, a single bond breaks unsymmetrically. Both the bonding electrons are transferred to the more electronegative atom. Product for homolytic cleavage is a free radical, and product for heterolytic cleavage, cation and anion. Reaction intermediate will form free radical, carbanion and carbocation. They are unstable and highly reactive. Relative stabilities of carbocation, carbanion and free radical. Carbocation, carbanion and free radical can be classified into primary, secondary and tertiary. For example, primary carbocation. Primary carbocation means that carbon with positive charge bonded to one carbon. So we call as primary carbocation. Secondary carbocation, when carbon with positive charge bonded to two carbon. So we call as secondary carbocation. And tertiary carbocation, when carbon with positive charge bonded to three carbon. So we call as tertiary carbocation. Carbocation stability depends on the number of alkyl group bonded to the carbocation. The alkyl group is an electron releasing group, or we call as electron donating group, EDG. EDG stabilize the positive charge on the carbocation. The stability of carbocation increase with the number of alkyl group present. Methyl carbocation is less stable than primary carbocation because of primary carbocation contain one EDG group. Primary carbocation contain one EDG group. Secondary carbocation contain two EDG group. And tertiary carbocation contain three EDG group. The stability of carbocation increase with the number of alkyl group present. Carbanion stabilities, alkyl group and other electron donating group destabilize carbanion. For example, methyl carbanion is more stable than primary because primary carbanion contain one EDG group. Secondary carbocation contain two EDG group, and tertiary carbanion attached to three EDG group. The stability of carbanion decrease with the number of alkyl group present. Free radical stability. The stability of free radical increase as more alkyl group are attached to the carbon atom with unpaired electron. The stability of free radical increase with the number of alkyl group present. Reagents and site of organic reaction. Electrophile. Electrophile means electron loving. Electrophile is species with positive charge. An electron deficient species and accepting electron from an attacking nucleophile. Can be either neutral or positively charged, such as H+, H3O+, NO2+. All carbocation species. Carbocation means that carbon with positive charge. For example, CH3, CH3, CH3. Carbon with positive charge we call as carbocation. Lewis acid such as AlCl3, FeCl3 and BF3, and all oxidizing agents such as chlorine and bromine. Electrophilic sites are molecules with low electron density around a polar bond. Example, carbonyl compound. Carbon and oxygen, carbon is electropositive and O is electronegative. So carbon is called as electrophilic site. C that bonded to OH. Carbon is electropositive and O is more electronegative. So carbon is an electrophilic site. Nucleophile is species with negative charge. Nucleophile means nucleus loving. An electron-rich species, an electron pair donor. A nucleophile can be neutral or negatively charged. All negative ion is nucleophile. All compound with lone pair are nucleophile. All organic metallic is, for example, Grignard reagent, and compound having pi electron such as C double bond C in alkene, C triple bond C in alkyne, and also benzene ring. Type of organization: addition, substitution, elimination, and rearrangement. Addition ada dua tindak balas, electrophilic addition and nucleophilic addition. Substitution ada 3, free radical substitution, electrophilic substitution, and nucleophilic substitution, and elimination and rearrangement. Electrophilic addition. Okey. Macam mana kita nak tahu tindak balas addition telah berlaku? Tindak balas addition kita boleh observe from multiple bond, produk akan menghasilkan single bond. Example, reactant ada C double bond C, C double bond C, produk form single bond. So apa yang kita observe, C double bond C add to bromine. So reaction is called addition. Carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon double bond is nucleophilic site. Jadi spesies yang attack dipanggil sebagai electrophile. Spesies yang attack mestilah opposite charge. So kalau nucleophilic site, spesies yang attack adalah electrophile. So nama tindak balas electrophilic addition. Okey, nucleophilic addition. Kita boleh observe C double bond O, multiple bond, product form single bond. So means that addition reaction occur. C double bond O, C is electrophilic site. So spesies yang nak attack adalah nucleophile. So nama tindak balas adalah nucleophilic addition. Substitution reaction ada 3, free radical substitution, electrophilic substitution, and nucleophilic substitution. Okay, example for free radical substitution. So apa yang kita perhatikan, H substitute with Cl. So substitution. Tindak balas free radical substitution berlaku dalam alkane sahaja dengan kehadiran UV. Kalau reaction dalam alkane dengan kehadiran UV, tindak balas ni adalah free radical substitution. Electrophilic substitution, atau dengan lebih tepat, nama tindak balas ni adalah electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay. Apa yang kita observe? Hydrogen tukar ganti dengan Br. So, substitution. Benzene ring is nucleophilic site. So, spesies yang attack adalah electrophile. So, electrophile yang akan attack. So, nama tindak balas ni adalah electrophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution, so kita observe Br tukar dengan OH. So, substance yang attack adalah OH minus. So, species with negative charge we call as nucleophile. So, nama tindak balas ni adalah nucleophilic substitution. Elimination reaction. Kita boleh observe tindak balas elimination telah berlaku daripada single bond, product will form multiple bond. So, daripada single bond akan hasilkan produk multiple bond. So, ini dipanggil tindak balas elimination, di mana kalau kita perhatikan struktur kita ni, saya ada CH3, CH2, OH. So, dia dah eliminate H2O. So, elimination. Eliminate H2O. Rearrangement, perhatikan bilangan karbon, hidrogen, oksigen sebelum dan selepas tindak balas adalah sama, cuma kedudukan saja berubah tempat. Ini kita panggil sebagai rearrangement.